Guess what, guys? I'm back! As my regular viewers will know, I was sort of on vacation for the past couple weeks. Flew out to California and then drove back across the country. Did a whole bunch of national parks. We stopped at Sequoia, Yosemite, Yellowstone, Great Salt Lake, Mount Rushmore. Stopped at a ranch in Montana for a couple days, and I saw Cremona. And then drove a lot, camped a lot. It was a lot of fun. It was really cool. I did a vlog on a couple of the parks we went to. I was gonna do another one at Cremona's and Rushmore, but we were only at Rushmore for like a half an hour, and you know, I was hanging out with Matt. We weren't like filming and stuff, so we were just hanging out. Dude can make a mean hamburger. So, anyways, it's a little bit late in the day. It's Monday the 6th, August 6th. A little late in the day. Had to go get kids registered for school and all that stuff. I brought a girl and 3 kids back from California with me. It's kind of the purpose of the trip. More on that at some point in the future. A couple things I need to do today. I need to repair a cutting board. Is that crack in there? Crack? Right there? And then I gotta dismantle some pallets. I gotta make like a American flag concealment case for some guns. I can have like Kaizen foam in it and stuff, some different compartments. So I gotta start breaking down pallet wood for that. But first, let's repair a cutting board. Alright guys, so here you can see this thing just split right along a glue line. I'm just gonna epoxy it, clamp it back together, and call it good. So let's put some tape on this thing. Now I'm not trying to fill this crack because I'm going to clamp it shut, so I'm pretty sure I've got enough epoxy in there for that. See what kind of squeeze out we get. Oh, plenty. That works, I guess. Alright, so with that setting up, let's go tear apart some pallets. So now that I got all those pallets taken apart, I've got enough wood to make this flag concealment case thing. I gotta remove all these nail heads since I used the reciprocating saw. I did that because I needed the full length of the boards. So let's remove a couple hundred nail heads. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I only got 4 of these flag strips cut, but I have all the wood that I need. I guess dismantled from pallets, all that junk. And it's dinner time. So kind of only a couple hours in the shop today. You know, just got back from the trip, all that stuff. It's Monday, you know. See you tomorrow.